Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Alicia. This here is co-pilot Baby J, and we are owners of Rock Me Fabulous, the hair bar and natural hair care. So if you haven't seen any of my other tutorials, stop what you're doing and go check those out first. So to continue on with this week's theme, all about the buns, today's tutorial is going to be about the knot bun. So let's go ahead and jump right into that tutorial today. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. I am first taking my detangling brush and I am brushing the hair up into a high ponytail. Okay, now that I've finished detangling the hair and positioning the hair into a high ponytail, I am now taking my Eco Styling gel and placing that around my head so they can help me smooth the hairs into a high ponytail. Now that I have applied the gel around the head, I take my bristle brush back again and then I just go around the head just to make sure the hair remains detangled. And then I will go in and take my soft bristle brush, as you see me doing here, and then just smoothing out the hairs around the perimeter of the head just to make sure that there are no lumps into my ponytail, because you want that as smooth as possible. Once everything has been smooth in place and the ponytail is positioned where I want it to be, we are now ready to secure the ponytail with the ponytail holder. Now that the ponytail has been secured, I'll go back through my bristle brush and just smooth out any lumps in the head. Like I said before, you want your ponytail to look as smooth and sleek as possible for this look. We are now ready to start applying the edge control to the edges of the hair around the head, just to smooth down your edges and make sure those are also as sleek as well. At this point, you can lay out your baby hairs if you want. It's kind of hard to do that on the mannequin, so I just wanted to let you all know that you can design that however you want to in the front of your hair. Okay, once everything's been smoothed down, including the edges, we are now ready to prep the ponytail for the knot bun. As you can see, I split the loose hair in the ponytail into two, and then I start to two-strand twist the hair all the way down to the end. Now that we finish two-strand and twist the hair, I do start to wrap that around the ponytail holder to form a small bun, and then I will secure that bun in with another ponytail holder, or you can use a few rubber bands if you need to. Once my bun has been put in place, I do now take my rat tail comb and my hairspray, which I use Got To Be hairspray, and just spray around the hair and the bun just to secure any of those loose strands so none of that is sticking out when we start to form the knot bun. Once your hair has been formed in a bun, this is how the bun should look and how sleek your hair should look around the head. We are now ready to add the braiding hair. This is the braiding hair that I had just laying around. You guys can use any of the braiding hair that you want. As you can see, I do keep the braiding hair on the rubber band that it comes on, because I use that rubber band to attach the hair to the bun that we created earlier. I am now splitting the braiding hair into two equal sections, as you can see here. Then I take that front part of the section and then I start twisting that around our bun towards the front of the head, as you see me starting to do here. I wanted to mention real quick that, as you can see, I twist that one piece over the section of the hair that is still left out to be twisted. I just wanted to mention that as we move forward with the knot bun. And as I'm twisting, I take the twisted part of the hair and I go under the part that I've already twisted in front of the head. I do not go over top, I go under. And this is how your knot bun is starting to form. Now that I've finished twisting the first section of the hair around the front of the head, we are now ready to secure it down with the hairpin. This will keep it in place while we're starting to twist that second section of the hair. As you see me doing here, I'm starting to twist around that second section. And then I'm going to start to move that twist around the back of the hair. And then as I'm moving it around the head from the back, as you can see me doing here, I am still taking that twist and twisting it underneath the twist that we've already have in place from the first section. I've also turned the mannequin head around so you can see how we are going to position that twist as we move around the head from the back. Once we finish twisting the hair from the second section around the back of the head, we are now ready to secure it in place with a hairpin. And we're also ready to go ahead and secure the entire knot bun around the head. Once the knot bun has been secured, I am now just going back through my rat tail comb and just smoothing any flyaways down so that it still looks smooth and sleek around the bun. We are now completed with this look, and as you can see, here's the 360 look of how the knot bun should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any question concerns, you know you can hit me up on my social media pages below. See you next time.